Starting around 13 January 2024, torrential slide really is exchanging at $35.97 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5% in very most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely huge. Avax essentially has in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $13,187,618,402 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $813,341,682, or so they most certainly thought. This fundamentally makes torrential slide, Avax, certainly positioning at 9 in the digital money market. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the torrential slide cost forecast finish of 2024, what will torrential slide truly be essentially worth in 2024, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is torrential slide a very wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2024, which especially is very critical? Will Avax cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed most certainly high in a huge manner? These explicitly are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in a quite large manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2024 as per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Avax cost especially is supposed to sort of cross an essentially normal value level of $50.68, the normal by and large least value worth of torrential slide, toward the finish of the in every way that really matters. Current year ought to sort of be $48.83 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Avax can by and large arrive at an especially greatest value level of $63. Torrential slide, Avax, value conjecture January 2024. The torrential slide, Avax cost for January 2024 may truly arrive at a very least worth of $35.50, while the truly greatest estimated cost is around $39.93 in a genuinely huge manner. The by and large normal cost for Avax truly is most certainly anticipated to really reach $38.82 in January 2024 in a quite enormous way. Torrential slide, Avax, value estimate February 2024. For February 2024, the cost of torrential slide truly is fundamentally anticipated to arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $39.60, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $41.87 and an in every way that really matters, least of $38.12, or so they especially thought. Torrential slide, Avax, value gauge walk 2024. For walk 2024, the cost of torrential slide generally is basically anticipated to especially arrive at a sort of typical cost of $40.39, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $43.85 and at least $38.91 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value forecast April 2024. The cost of torrential slide in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part reach at a kind of least worth of $39.35 in April 2024 in a significant way. The Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest worth of $45.87, with the typical exchanging worth of $41.20 all through 2024. Which sort of shows that besides Avax, can generally arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $63 in a significant manner. Torrential slide value expectation May 2024. The cost of torrential slide explicitly is for the most part anticipated to in every practical sense reach at a genuinely least worth of $40.17 in May 2024. Which in a real sense shows that torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2024 as per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Avax cost by and large is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $50.68, the normal extremely least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the especially current year ought to basically be $48.83, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Avax cost could sort of arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $47.93, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $42.02 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the sort of greatest cost for torrential slide could stretch around $49.61, which sort of is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in June 2024 explicitly is $41.02, with a very normal cost of $42.86, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of torrential slide generally is supposed to be at around at least $42.73, or so they really thought. Torrential slide cost can basically arrive at a truly limit of $51.76, with the fundamentally normal cost of $44.58 in United States dollars, which certainly is very huge. Avax value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of torrential slide basically is determined to by and large be at around a sort of least worth of $44.44, or so they truly thought. The torrential slide value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of $53.99, with the very normal exchanging worth of $45.92 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Avax value estimate September 2024. The torrential slide figure for September 2024 expects that the Avax may basically arrive at a very most extreme worth of $56.28, with a base cost of around $44.99, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Avax can truly stretch around $46.83 for September, or so they sort of thought. Torrential slide value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of torrential slide basically is supposed to be at around a genuinely least of $46.29, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide cost can explicitly arrive at a limit of $58.16, with the very normal cost of $47.77 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation November 2024. The cost for torrential slide in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $47.72 and $60.54 in a very huge manner. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $49.20, which truly is genuinely huge. Avax value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of torrential slide especially is gauged to in every practical sense be at around a very least worth of $48.83. Exhibiting how starting around 13 January 2024 torrential slide truly is exchanging at $35.97 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5% in certainly most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. The torrential slide value worth can essentially arrive at a by and large limit of $63, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $50.68 in United States dollars in a really significant way. Torrential slide kind of past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been in every practical sense diminished by 6.79% in its sort of current worth, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking.